Losing weight often involves creating a calorie deficit, where you consume fewer calories than you burn. To support your weight loss journey, you should focus on foods that are not only low in calories, but also provide essential nutrients, keep you feeling full, and help maintain your energy levels. Here is a list of foods that can help you lose weight. Vegetables. Vegetables like broccoli, spinach, kale, cauliflower, and peppers are low in calories and high in fiber, making them excellent choices for weight loss. They fill you up without adding many calories. Lean proteins. Lean sources of protein such as chicken breast, turkey, fish, tofu, and legumes like beans and lentils can help you feel full and maintain muscle mass while losing weight. Whole grains. Foods like oats, quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat products provide fiber and complex carbohydrates, helping you stay satisfied and maintain steady energy levels. Fruits. While fruits contain natural sugars, they are also rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Berries, apples, and citrus fruits are great choices for weight loss. Nuts and seeds. Despite being calorie-dense, nuts and seeds, in moderation, can be part of a weight loss plan due to their healthy fats and protein, which help curb hunger. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a high-protein, low-fat dairy option that can promote satiety and support weight loss. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein and can help you feel full, making them a satisfying and nutritious breakfast choice. Legumes, beans, lentils, and chickpeas are not only rich in fiber and protein, but also help control blood sugar levels and reduce cravings. Water-rich foods. Foods with high water content, like cucumbers, watermelon, and celery, are low in calories and can help keep you hydrated and satisfied. Spices and herbs. Using herbs and spices like cinnamon, cayenne pepper, and ginger can add flavor to your dishes without adding extra calories, and some, like green tea, may have metabolism-boosting properties. Lean dairy. Opt for low-fat or fat-free dairy products like milk and cheese to reduce calorie intake while still getting essential nutrients like calcium. Lean meats. Choose lean cuts of meat, such as skinless poultry, and lean cuts of beef or pork, to reduce saturated fat and calorie content. Avocado. Avocado is rich in healthy fats and fiber, which can help control appetite and promote feelings of fullness. Soups and broths. Starting a meal with a low-calorie, broth-based soup can help you consume fewer calories overall during the meal. Green tea. Green tea contains compounds like catechins that may boost metabolism and promote fat loss when combined with a balanced diet and exercise. Remember that portion control and overall calorie intake are crucial for weight loss. It's also essential to maintain a balanced diet and combine it with regular physical activity for the best results. Always consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet or exercise routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions.